So today we're going to be talking about formatting dialogue, and when I say formatting dialogue, I mean things like spacing, punctuation, etc. So there are three important rules for formatting dialogue. So we're going to talk about this one first. So the first rule is that each new speaker gets a new paragraph and indentation. And the button we're going to press to indent our paragraph on the computer is the Tab key, okay? And that's located on the top left-hand side of your keyboard. So here's what we need to do. We have our opening paragraph here. The other day, I went for a walk with my dog and my sister. We walked for a very long time, and it was almost 90 degrees out. Now I'm going to have a new speaker. So I need to tab in, and obviously I have my punctuation there, quotes. Do you want to go get some ice cream after this? Asked my sister. Then we have a new speaker, so we need to tab in. Sure, I said, as long as you're paying. So anytime we have a new speaker, we need a new paragraph. Okay? Our second rule is that we need to insert a comma before and after most direct quotes. So if you'll notice in this example, sure, comma, I said, comma, as long as you're paying. Now it's important that you know that we do not need double punctuation. So if there's already a question mark, okay, then you don't need to also add a comma. The question mark is enough. But if you do not have a question mark, a comma is appropriate. And then our third rule is that punctuation goes inside quotation marks. So sure, comma, I said, comma, as long as you're paying. Okay? It's incorrect to have the comma there outside of the punctuation marks. So what I want you to do now is take a look at this little paragraph here, and you're going to format it following the rules above. So take out your writer's notebook, and you are going to do a little practice here by formatting the conversation below in your writer's notebook. So pause the video and try and write this paragraph appropriately with the quotation marks and the indentations. So here's what your paragraph should look like. I'm going to indent because I have a new speaker. Do you want to go shopping? Asked my mom. Now I have a new speaker, so I need a new paragraph. Sure, I said, comma, same speaker. Where do you want to go? Now my mom is speaking again. I think we should go to the Prudential Center. Now I have a new speaker again. Okay, I responded. So make sure that you corrected any mistakes that you made in your writer's notebook with this activity. And what you're going to do next is you're going to take the little quiz on Edline, and then you are going to try and fix the formatting of your dialogue in your draft. And if you need to indent a paragraph, a little symbol that you can use is this symbol, just to tell yourself that you need a new paragraph.